This is the aloe vera plant. Now see that it is growing so well, it is in the ground. And today I will show you how to take aloe vera juice from this leaf to make a great fertilizer for plants. So now I'm going to cut a leaf from this. See, huge leaf. This contains a lot of aloe gel. I don't water this plant every day because regular watering will make these leaves get rot when you water them regular basis. So alternative days in the summers you can spray the plant or else provide a little bit of water. So now this is the leaf that I'm going to make aloe vera gel. So we all know the benefits of aloe vera. Without mentioning them, you know, these are used for hair care and personal hygiene also, but today we are going to use it as a fertilizer, so I'm not going to throw away any of the parts of this leaf, and I'm going to cut it into small pieces. So now I have cut all this into small pieces. So now next thing is to put it in a mixer and get the juice out of it. So now put it in a mixer jar and I'm going to get all this grinded. So now this is the aloe vera juice we have taken out of the leaf, and we have such a lot, more than 1 liter. So now I'm going to put them to the plants. You can directly add them to the roots. I will show you how to do it. There are many nutrients of aloe vera, so now I'm going to add it to the root. So that's how you use aloe vera and how you make it easily at home.